What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today, yes, this is Triple Play Saturday round 3. This ends it all. I hope you enjoy 1 and 2. I know you're going to enjoy round 3. And with that being said, let's just go ahead and get it over with. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and welcome to Triple Play Saturday round 3. And this one ends it all. I hope you enjoy 1 and 2. I'm quite sure you're going to enjoy round 3. And with that being said, let's go ahead and let's kick it off. The name of the watch face is called T-Race. Now, I'm liking this watch face simply because you can dress up or dress down. It has a slight elegant look to it. And in the AOD mode, it looks the same. It's just going to be dimmed down, but when the watch face is on, I'm liking the layout and the placement of the shortcuts. Now, if you look at the top, you're going to be able to get your stopwatch. You can set an alarm with this watch face. You can check your battery info. Down at the bottom, you got altimeter, and you got S health, and you can set a timer. And it is interactive, so if you single tap on it, you can go right into it and get the info that you're seeking. Now, you get the best of both worlds with this watch face, and you're going to get a digital time in the box down below. Now, it's going to give it to you in 24-hour time for those of you all who like the 24-hour time. And you're going to get your day, and you're going to get your battery percentage and your step info in that little box. Now, what I also like about this watch face is that I double tap, I can change the theme of the watch face. It gives you 4 in all that you can change to depending on what you're wearing or depending on what color you're feeling for the day. There you go. All right, you all. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope you all are enjoying your weekend thus far. If you're going to go out and you're going to party, have fun, party like it's 1999, but be safe. And for those of you all who are going to relax, listen, enjoy, just take it easy. All right, you all, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this and you haven't subscribed to my channel, then by all means, subscribe. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.